School girl. School picnic. Boy and girl. Watch it now. Suspended. You don't even know if this is going to mash up your future right there, some mama. I can't believe. Yo, watch it. And then now the grown women now. Look on them two big women you know. Face covered in ensure. Body covered in ensure. Stuffing it in our mouth. Just for the 15 minutes of fame. Is this who we are, Jamaica? Are we this? You remember when Jamaica, we used to proud. Chest in the sky. No morals, they down in the ground. What your big woman them are supposed to set example. This supposed to be sexy? Is this supposed to be sexy?
You know say God must tired of we. And if you're not tired of the world, you're tired of Jamaica. Anybody where you believe in, what up there, so, must tired of that little island here. You know say all along, I think it's a joke. I never know say it's serious now. I never know say it's a serious thing. Because, tell me, why I go buy ensure for my granny. Anybody who follow me knows me have a granny. I'm not ensuring that they're for true. Why? I sound serious, John? And then, I say, music now no influence, dancehall now no influence on crime. But that's for a different conversation. What wrong with you know? What really actually wrong with you know?
Something is definitely wrong with today's society because ensure some of me usually drink to put on weight or at least try because it never actually worked for me, but ensure has now been sexualized.
Sad truth is the people of Jamaica need to ensure so them brace themselves for complete destruction, because believe it or not, the system ensures so Jamaica go downstairs at all times. Nobody now uplift Jamaica again with music, brother. All of them get their pride and innocence gone to the dirt.
All I know is you guys look real stupid putting bottles of Ensure as your profile picture. And most of you guys can't even afford it. It's too expensive. You can barely buy it for your baby or your grandma, but you want to buy it to suck dick. I hope you all getting paid for advertisements. Because that'll be a real shame if you're not.
Yes!
Another episode of the Code Challenge #Portland.
Come on, just dash something in our face. This is what these men think of, you know. Nothing. When someone dash in our face, yeah, all over, all that. Oh.
This video is for Jamaicans and Jamaicans only. So this is not your flag. Just keep it pushing. We need to talk. Nobody else is talking about this. So you know what? I feel like I need to. This is Ensure. For the people that don't know, Ensure is a meal replacement for people who have involuntary weight loss. They have had surgery. They cannot gain weight. It's a meal replacement. No, because this is what you guys are doing with the Ensure. You know how much people are hungry and cannot get Ensure? And this is what you guys are doing with the Ensure? In school? That's what they send you to school to go do? Is this who we are? Like, what is really happening?
Yo, well, I don't know, sir. One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez. Make sure you sound like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yo. Yes. I already give my intro. Jamaica, we need to talk. Jamaica, we need to have a serious discussion now. You understand what I say? Time to put the pride and ego aside. You understand what I say? Time for we just open with ears for receive solution also along with the criticism, because we need to be told what is wrong in order for we shuffle up and fix up and mend what need to be mended. Because right now we're in a crisis in all aspects of our life. Government, poverty, crime, anything where is negatively affecting Jamaicans right now, we need to address it. But right now, the most disgusting thing I'm see what go on right now, that I myself, along with the youth, where say him swear it was a joke. Me think it was a joke too. I swear to God, me think ensure was a joke, because if you go up on my Instagram, I make even a video, a comedy video about it. It's me like a 1 foot man in a party. I mean, I dance with the ensure them with my 1 foot. I mean, I go on the most way. As a joke, you know what I mean? Something LOL, you know? Drop it on a Friday, everybody have fun. But I didn't know until I watch a couple of videos say, them thing I go on in the dancehall space. Them thing are disgusting thing, man. Are we, remember say Jamaica, we inspire our influence touch the world, you know? Remember, see, we give the world reggae music, you know. And Lego Bob Marley, them, and Peter Tosh, and the Wailers, them, and Bunny Wailer, all of them top reggae artists, them. To which part we can see the Sizzlers, them, and Capleton, them, and Iwin, them nowadays. You understand? And the way of Chronics, them, and Protege, them are running thing right now. Marty, my big up yourself, bad bro. You understand what I say? At them thing that we used to, the conscious vibe. I don't know if someone old enough at my age. Remember when time in the early 2000s, when time culture music used to run Jamaica. Culture music used to run Jamaica hot. You understand what I say? TOK them, gentleman are European still, but I don't know. He used to represent for the reggae music. You know, all of the artists them. Sizzler, yes, you got to be strong. Seasons rhythm, drop leaf rhythm. You understand? All of them culture music that used to bring a different vibration to Jamaica. Jamaica used to I wouldn't say crime never did a go on, but it never did answer. Because with their whole meds, a whole heap of Jamaican their whole meds, because the music was there and the music was just as popular or even more popular than dancehall music at the time. Because in my eyes, me feel like say dancehall music did a suffer when time culture they run the place. In the early 2000s, when time culture music run the place, dancehall music they doom. So them time the Jamaica they hold on a piece of righteousness and a piece of we would call it now positive foundation. We are standing on a positive foundation. As I said, crime and them thing that they still are going, but it never as hot as now. Even the drug usage throughout the music, we say the drug usage being constantly spoke about in the music. We are pop this and we are pop that. We never know say Jamaica start take pill and ecstasy and them something there. Me see a link and make a video one day and link and I say, yo, yeah, we not talk about me and Star and the cousin business, but we could talk about the drug problem in Jamaica.
Yo, so this cuz thing, I find it funny. Everybody I make memes. Hey, Soupy, oh, cuz boy, yeah, it's funny. But how far it reach is very surprising to me and very disappointing to me. It reached on all the news. Fuckery reach on the news da. And Jamaica have a real drug problem. I mean I see that on the news. The whole of the young people them addicted to ecstasy and Mali. I mean I see that on the news. Only love fuckery and laugh. But cause I think Jamaica have the facility to deal with the amount of fucking addict where they are Jamaica right now. But they are Jamaica the other day and they come like me was the only person when I take ecstasy or Mali. You could talk about that now, cuz. Put that on the news, cuz. Shit.
Nobody no want to address that. Address the drug problem in Jamaica, no, man. It's like the things them where don't matter so much to we, but the thing them where matter so much don't matter to we. We like the foolishness them. We like the little bip bop foolishness them. I want to point it out now. Yo, and not just Jamaica. The world stays so. But how we gonna fix Jamaica problem if we keep on bringing other people in our thing and say, yo, you know, say them have problem too, so cause we just dwell in our problem. That is all on the sound. When time we are talking about Jamaica, I will say, yo, you know, say Jamaica this, Jamaica that. Don't bring up other people and try to validate Jamaica's foolishness by bringing other people in. Yo, them have problem too, you know. I know, say them have problem too. How we gonna fix our problem if we keep pointing other people? We got the right to because we feel like it's okay. The position where we're in, okay. Because other people in there to say, don't call out to weep on our foolishness. That is our sound. We as people, we will never grow. And let me say this too. For the grand scheme of things, you're right. Because black people worldwide have the same problem. Black people worldwide, them can't take criticism. I feel like black people are the females of the race, of all the races. Black people are the most emotional set of people on earth. But for the sake of this video, a Jamaican we are talking about. Majority of Jamaica are black. Jamaica is a black nation. And this is what our black brothers and our black sisters are doing. We are already infested with crime and scamming and banging and all of them things that will not bring no positivity to Jamaica, but just crime and violence and more murder and killing. This is what our black brothers and our black sisters are doing. They are, first of all, ensure substance for the body. People who can't eat, are them something there? Is high in protein. People who suffer from weight loss and them things, they drink that fiber. Whole heap of minerals, vitamins in there. It's a meal replacement. So, if you take something where sustain the body, spend no money on it because the price raise up now, you know. Yeah, so the price is double right now. Spend no money just for go throw it in one girl face and she goes up and flick her tongue and you go up and throw it on her face. Them things are nastiness, brother, on disgusting. Both man and woman are disgusting. And now we have the look of youth them right so I do the same bomb buckler fuckery. Cause I know disgusting. Anybody and everybody who partake in this ensure business on disgusting. If you as a man or woman take a buckler ensure and throw it pan a girl face, you're disgusting. If you as a woman go down pan your knee, long out your tongue and have man a throw ensure in your mouth, you're disgusting. Why make we love decadence so much? I know some never even talk about this because anytime Jamaicans will live abroad, say anything about Jamaicans will live in Jamaica, we don't say nothing. We chat too much. We not there. Somebody even like talk about Jamaican thing, but I can't just see my nation and wither away and don't say nothing. If me never say nothing, that means someone that never love Jamaica. If me just see them thing go on and not say nothing, that means someone not love Jamaica. But me can't see them thing go on and don't call it out. What are we doing? And then another say music not influence nothing. But we see the children that are doing it. Getting suspended. Videoing themselves, putting it on social media, do the same thing with the adults them do. Along out them tongue and twiggle it like blood clot lizards and snake. No, I'm not only going to blame the artists. I'm going to have to blame Jamaica too. Because if there wasn't a demand for this too, the artists would not make this. You understand what I say? And you can't even put all the blame on the artist neither. Supply and demand. I'm guilty of indulging in the decadence to please the crowd at times. I try to please everybody. I go about it like the Vibes Cartel mold. Vibes Cartel mold, where I'm set. Vibes Cartel blueprint. I realize Vibes Cartel game. Vibes Cartel appeal to everybody. Vibes Cartel will big up the girl them do them body, and then big up the girl them don't do them body. Big up the girl them do the body and then they make a tune them for the girl. Mama, you now have to do surgery. So him appeal to everybody. I do that too. I try to appeal to everybody. And I even made a video. But at this point, I cannot laugh. This is not a laughing matter. And I feel like I have a moral responsibility to create a balance. Because the kids them watch me same time. So them see me go so boom now I make a video. But ensure I have to go make a video doing damage control. Because I really thought this was a joke. I swear to I went to go so boom and see 2 lakhs from Twin of Twins. Post it on him page. Me see the girl go to boom and drink the ensure and go down and bend down and go so and spray it in a girl mouth through her gap teeth. I say what kind of nastiness this? I just saw there as a nation and some of them women one man respect you. Oh, me gonna respect that. Oh, me gonna respect you as a woman. You're bending down having another woman spitting in your mouth. in public. Because if you want to do that in your bedroom, you go and do that in your bedroom, you know. And this is the thing, you know, you see if the people them that do them thing in them bedroom, yo, I wouldn't business. But you're bringing these things in the public where we can see. Who tell us some like see them something there? Who tell us some want to see them something there? Now it would be like people say, oh yeah, oh you can skip it, you know, yeah, you're right about that. But I run the place right now, so you skip it, the next video, I eat that again. You skip it, I eat that again. You skip it, I eat that again. Jamaica, wagwan. What is going on? And me say something in that same shirt, yeah? Where the overall responses was good. I'm not gonna lie to you. The overall responses was good. I made a video in this same shirt saying Jamaica I make the worst set of people famous. And the overall responses was great. A lot of artists chime in, a lot of artists, you know, agreed. But then you have some little ticky Jamaican now where feel like them beyond reproach, them feel like them beyond criticism. Jamaica make the worst set of people them famous. People them who have nothing positive for contribute to Jamaica, at them we are make famous. And the people them who supposed to be famous, we just push them to the wayside. We don't want to hear that. Oh, yeah, I talk about building wealth and economics, brother, like a suck mother. We don't want to hear that. Bumbo clad, brother, yeah, T-boy, I'm suck. That is the mindset right now. Some were even accusing me of adding foolishness into the Jamaican society. First of all, I'm a comedian. I tell jokes. That's number one. I tell joke. I'm not standing on no moral high ground or no moral low ground. I'm just here to bring joy. You understand what I say? Now, if me sing about chopping, banging, and murdering and bust out man marrow, yeah, mother say, you know, say you have all right for do it, for say what you say, and I got change my life because right now I just sound like a hypocrite. But if you saying my jokes is the equivalent to what them money I do, you're a hypocrite. And you need to shut your stinking mouth and we'll debate with you any day. So here we have some artists who say Martin my music. You must say true. You see me? They will have twin of twins. You must say yo, them are wicked. You understand what I say? Everybody see wagwan. Everybody see wagwan. Zin, Hype TV, Grams Morgan, Kiva the Diva, Mixmaster David, Black Hero. A whole heap of people agree with it. But you see, because me live America, some of the Jamaican them where they at Jamaica feel like Jamaicans will live in America can't comment on the current state of Jamaica because we're not there. If we never care about Jamaica, we wouldn't say nothing at all. You are not beyond criticism or above criticism. You see, if Jamaicans abroad never care about Jamaica yard, would I just shut up and watch you not do what I do? It's like when you don't know when people care and they take everything as offense. Again, I say, black people, we are the females of every race. We super emotional. And that's because of our trauma. What a time for we go to people and pull up a boot shop and become real. We claim we're strong. We claim we're the strongest race. Are we? Are we really the strongest race? When the least little thing we find amusing. Even in America, the same thing with black people over here, them find the least little foolishness amazing, and them find it like, wow, it's the X factor, it's the it factor now. Like decadence is the order of the day. Decadence is the order of the day. Jamaica, we have an ensure problem. We have an ensure problem. We are going down. We are going down. And if we continue, just look what the politicians are doing right now to Jamaica. Sell out everything left, right, and center. When soon enough we learn to speak Mandarin. Dog them, do you want to sell out Goat Island? Do you think your politicians respect you? No? Them no respect you, no, and them don't want to educate you. No? So when time when I see people like me come and attack and say this, I don't want to fight me, because I don't fight, you know what? The real fight what I get from a politician. And the real fight what Jamaica I get as a whole are ignorance. Dunceness is a part of our culture now. Fully dunce. Fully dunce. education. Who want to be educated? We don't want to be educated. Fully done. That's our pre. Fully done. People I don't know what to think. You understand what I say? I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. It's sad to do that video still because it my hurt. As a Jamaican, my hurt for say our black brothers and our black sisters are carry on like this. I want to remember Marcus Garvey. I want to remember Miss Lou. Remember Miss Lou, no? When Miss Lou dead, culture dead. When Miss Lou died, Jamaican culture died. Now I ensure the girl them a deal with them. Now you understand what I say? And why? Why? Remember Bob Marley, no? Until the philosophy, which hold one race superior and another inferior, is finally and permanently discredited, there will always be war. And right now Jamaica is at war. Spiritually, physically, and every other alleyway they about, Jamaica is fighting. Now you make me know what are some suitable solutions to get us out this funk that we in. Jamaica, my name is Negusimara and I mean well. Much love.